What's in my bag as a minimalist? First, this is my company ID. I am showing the back portion of it for privacy. And then my wallet. I am using this one for 4 years now. Next is my phone. This is a Samsung Galaxy. I am not sure with the model. I forgot. I also have these earbuds. This is from Miniso. And I'm also bringing this eyeglass wipe cloth. This is a folded fan. And I'm using this bag. This is from Converse, and this is a belt bag. So small. So these are all of the things I bring with me on a daily basis while working in a corporate company somewhere in Ayala Business Park.